And the hook I'm using, it's a 5 millimeter. I think I showed you that, but it came out of this kit here that I ordered off of Amazon, Yuboshi, with a ton of hooks of all different sizes, and came with a bunch of eyes. It's got a bunch of the stuff you need for amigurumi. So if you're a beginner or you're like me and you took some time off and need a bunch of your basics, this kit has got you covered. It's got the pom-pom maker, not the button. The button didn't come with it. And I don't have the fiber fill in here. It's over with the rest of my fiber fill, which my husband put somewhere. But it comes with a bunch of the stitch markers. There's some more in there. And a bunch of different size needles and the pom-pom maker. And somewhere here, there it is, and the scissors. And one of the reasons I ordered it is I was looking for a tension ring. Probably be using that. And I don't know what these are. I thought they were some kind of thimbles, but I don't understand. Maybe somebody can tell me what these are. But it comes with a couple different types of stitch markers, both the round and the clasp, which I like because sometimes I want to use the round, but sometimes the round don't work for what I need when you're trying to fasten things on together, and so that's when these are really good. And like I said, it comes with some fiber fill. And I've used a couple of these eyes in a couple projects, I think. Size. Neat cute. I pattern tested that one off of Ribbler. So anyway, I ordered this because I needed a bunch of different crochet hooks. I needed some fiber fill, which then I bought a whole big bag. And these work better than my old scissors. They cut better, but I am going to look for a pair that have a cover. I'd rather have had a cover. And then, of course, you need the needles. And no, that yarn did not come with it either. But anyway, that's the kit that came with.